So if you asked about the blueprint, yes, we do have a 8-step design process. The first 4 steps are very, gives you a lot of creative freedom. It's about, figuring out, it's more from, till you reach the concept level. After that, the next 4 steps are more practical, getting into, finally converting that idea into an entity. That's really when all your material constraints, the cost constraints, the manufacturability, the technology, and all of that come into play. The first step is more about, as I said, it is going out, looking at, observation, understanding, gaining insights, and all of that. That really is a first step.
Understood.
Once we have done, then looking at inspiration, deriving the deep design stories, and what we could come up with. Once that is done very broadly, and the trend part which comes in, we have a very elaborate exercise looking at trends and how to marry it and come back to it. All of this is done, then you have what is called the inspiration and the story. And then this whole thing of what should be the concept very broadly at the concept level.
Right.
And once that is done, then you get into form generation and sketching and the RPTs, and slowly that process goes in. Then you have your sharing with your stakeholders. And so that's like a typical process.
Understood.
So, the first 4, just open out and think and come up with the bestest idea. Next 4 would bring you back to reality. And that's how we look at it. So more or less this process we follow, but depending on the category, the nuances would change how you do it. Yeah. And this needs to be done consistently to get successful results.